Struggling with scattered data across systems? Spending hours cleaning and combining it before analysis? Say goodbye to the hassle with Zoho Analytics' Data Pipeline. It simplifies and transforms your data and makes it ready for further visual analysis and actionable insights. Think of the BI and analytics process as an assembly line. At the start of the line, you have raw data from different sources. For instance, sales, customer, and product tables. By the end, you have actionable insights, like a detailed sales performance dashboard. In between, all the data operations occur as the data pipeline transforms, integrates, and cleans your data seamlessly, preparing it for analysis. Zoho Analytics' Data Pipeline Builder offers you an intuitive canvas for seamless data transformation. With its drag-and-drop interface, you can design workflows effortlessly by applying transformations and visualizing data flows, all without coding. Append. Merge datasets to unify data from different time periods. Join. Combine tables logically for a comprehensive view. Pivot. Summarize and analyze your data dynamically. Unpivot. Convert columns into rows, helping you normalize your data for better analysis. Let's see examples for the 4 operations and how to create a data pipeline in Zoho Analytics step by step. From your workspace, click the Create icon and select Data Pipeline under Transform Data. You want to combine H1 and H2 sales data. Choose your data tables, then click Next to open the Pipeline Builder. In the Pipeline Builder, you will see the selected tables with a default stage for each. This is where transformations take shape. Using the Append function, you can merge datasets with the same structure. Select Sales Data H1, then click the plus icon and choose Append. Add Sales Data H2 from the drop-down and click Append. Rename the dataset, review the matched columns, and click Preview. Click Append to create the unified annual sales data. Now, you want to combine customer details with their loyalty points. Click on Import Data. Select Customer Information and Customer Loyalty Points tables and click Next. Select Customer Information, then click the plus icon and choose Join. Select the Customer Loyalty Points table from the drop-down. Choose Outer Join because it ensures that all records from both tables are retained, even if there are no matching values in the common column. Name the new dataset. The system automatically matches columns. Adjust them if needed, and click Preview. The join functions don't allow the same column names to be joined in a single table. If 2 tables have repeated column names, you'll need to either rename or delete one. Rename it to keep the column, or delete it if it has the same data as from the other table. Once verified, click Join to create the merged dataset. To summarize total spending by payment method for each customer, you can use the Pivot function. Import the Customer Orders table to the Pipeline Builder. Select the Customer Orders table and click the plus icon, then choose Pivot. Add payment method as columns, customer ID as rows, and total amount as data. Click Preview, then Pivot to generate the summary dataset. Here, we have the product sales table, which has quarterly sales split in multiple columns. Summing up total sales or filtering by specific quarters is complex due to multiple columns. Let's simplify the product sales table with an Unpivot transformation. Import the product sales table. Click the plus icon of Product Sales Table, then choose Unpivot. Add Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 sales as the columns to Unpivot. Name the new column headers as Quarters and the value column as Sales. Click Preview to check, then Apply to generate the dataset. To create a comprehensive customer master data table, you can join the newly created Customer Profile and Loyalty Points table with the Customer Orders table. This final dataset gives you all customer-related insights in one place. Once your transformations are complete, right-click on the final stages and select Create as Output Table. This finalizes your pipeline. Click on the Draft button to mark your pipeline as ready. Execute the data pipeline with two options. Schedule. Automate execution at set intervals. Configure frequency, time zone, and stop conditions for failed attempts. Manual run. Click Run to process it immediately. Each time you run a pipeline, it creates a job. This tracks everything from start to finish. You can check the Overview tab for key details. Pipeline status shows you whether the run was successful or not. Duration gives you how long the pipeline took to execute. Run by shows who triggered the pipeline. Data processed tells you the number of rows processed and storage used. Start and end time, when the execution started and when it got completed. The Stages tab shows the tables used, transformations applied, and details of the final output. The Output tab summarizes data quality, row count, and status of the final table after execution. Need changes? Use the Edit Pipeline option to modify your pipeline flow. Job history logs all pipeline executions, showing status, execution time, user, and data processed. The Pipelines tab lets you view, run, or schedule pipelines. You can also track statuses like last modified, next schedule, and more. Transform your raw data effortlessly with Zoho Analytics Data Pipeline. Streamline your data flows and ensure it's ready for deeper analysis with no complex queries. Thank you for watching. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on one of our toll-free numbers.